Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve an error message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Whether you are attempt to add a new user to your computer and the error message you received say that we are sorry but something went wrong. The user wasn't added to this PC, followed by error code 0xd0000225. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Go to search menu and type registry editor. Click run as administrator guys. Click on this run as administrator and select as. Now in the registry you just need to expand the H key local machine and now expand the system and now expand the current control set and now expand the control and now you just need to look for LSA. Click on it. At this point you just need to know the file path location guys. In here I will zoom in my video. On right side security packages, you just want to double click on it and in here you just need to type PKU2U PKU2U and now type press enter. Now it will be down here guys. Now type LIVESSP. Click on OK for save changes. Now click on OK. Now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC for changes take effect. After restarting your PC, your problem will be resolved guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.